So, meron po kayong reklamo na kayo po ay nahuli at maliho yung pagkahuli sa inyo.
Yes po, Idol. Kasi nung October 7, may pumunta sa bahay ng mga pulis, nagpakilalang pulis.
Okay.
Ano sila, Tagawaran section po sila ng Gentry.
Okay.
Tapos, tinanong ako kung ako si Deo Balbuena Harito. Totoo naman na pangalan ko to. Sabi ko, yes, may warrant ako na nanggaling dito sa Mandaluyong. Nagtataka ako kasi hindi naman ako taga Mandaluyong, hindi rin ako dito familiar sa lugar na to kasi from Pasay ako doon, yung parisan ko. Tapos ang bahay ko ngayon is General Trias, Cavite. Sumama ako ng maayos kasi may dala silang warrant.
At ano po nakalagay sa warrant? Ano na pong kasalanan nyo?
City Ordinance ng Mandaluyong.
Okay.
Tapos sumama ako doon sa kanila, so kinulong ako.
Every day, we share information on social media, in conversations, even in simple forms we fill out. But have you ever wondered what happens if the wrong person gets access to that information? Whether it's a phone number, your address, or your medical history. Privacy is protection. And once it's broken, trust is lost.
So, siya ba yung person na plug down nyo na nakikipag-inuman sa kalye na may kasamang apat?
Hindi po.
So, inaamin mo na hindi si Diwata yon.
Hindi po si Diwata yun.
Think about this. A photo posted online without permission, a conversation recorded and shared, or a personal message leaked to the public. Small lapses can lead to big sicknesses, from embarrassment and bullying, to fraud and identity theft. Information, once shared, spread faster than we imagine. In both daily life and healthcare, responsibility is the same. Protect information, respect boundaries, and think before sharing. Privacy means using only verified sources, limiting what we disclose, and removing details that make someone identifiable. Whether you're students, a professional, or a simple friend, you are accountable for the data you handle.
Remember, this is not just about ethics. It is also about the law. The Republic Act 10173 or Data Privacy Act of 2012 protects sensitive personal information from medical records to personal details we give every day. Protect privacy, protect trust, protect lives. Because in health, in school, online, and in life, information control is not optional. It is our shared responsibility.